Have you ever imagined a day without a mobile phone? No internet, no YouTube, no online games, no Google to save you during homework? Scary, right? But believe it or not, humans once lived like this and still survived. Luckily for us, we live in the age of information and communication technology, also called ICT. Today, we are going to explore ICT tools, ATM, printer, scanner, router, Wi-Fi, social media, cybercrime, robotics, virtual reality, artificial intelligence, and cloud computing. So, fasten your seatbelts, let's begin. Information and communication technology. ICT refers to modern technologies that are used to create information, store information, transmit information, exchange information. In simple words, ICT helps humans communicate faster and work smarter. Because of ICT, education is digital, banking is automated, shopping is online, entertainment is everywhere. ICT tools. ICT tools are devices that help us send, receive, and store information. Let's discuss some of the common ICT tools. Radio and television. They are electronic systems used to broadcast news and entertainment to large audiences. Radio uses sound, while television combines sound with moving images. Newspaper. Newspaper are regular publications, usually printed on paper, that provide written information, current events, and advertisements. A computer is a versatile electronic device used for processing, organizing, and storing data. It follows specific instructions, software, to perform a wide variety of tasks. A projector is an optical device that shines light through a lens to display images or videos onto a large screen or flat surface. It is primarily used to make visual learning easier for large groups of people. ICT is used heavily in education, business, management, entertainment. Without ICT, modern organizations would stop working in one day. ATM stands for Automatic Teller Machine. It allows us to withdraw cash and check balance. The parts of ATM are divided into input devices and output devices. Input devices of an ATM include card reader and keypad, whereas output devices include display screen, speaker, receipt printer, and cash dispenser. Precautions. Never share your PIN. Change PIN regularly. Don't tell your PIN even to your best friend. A photocopier machine makes copies of documents. It uses xerography technology, which is a dry process using light, heat, pressure, and electrostatic charge. Photocopiers are widely used in schools, offices, banks, government sectors. A photocopier machine can be used following simple steps. Turn on the machine, place document face down, select paper size, adjust settings, press start, collect copies. A scanner is an input device. It converts hard copy into soft copy, uses OCR, optical character recognition technology. Scanners are used for storing documents digitally, editing images, printing later. Fun fact, your mobile phone can also act as a scanner. A printer is an output device. It prints digital data into hard copy. There are 3 types of printer: dot matrix, inkjet, laser. Printer can be used in few simple steps. Turn on printer, open document, select printer, adjust settings, preview, print, collect printout, and hooray, there is no paper jam. A router connects different networks and transfers data using IP address. It is used for high-speed data transfer, internet sharing. Wi-Fi stands for wireless fidelity. It uses radio waves, connects devices wirelessly. Devices like mobile phone, laptop, smart TV can be connected to Wi-Fi for using internet. Set-top box receives digital signals, decodes them, displays TV channels. Nowadays, internet, YouTube, apps are also available in set-top boxes. TV is no longer just TV. A search engine is a tool that helps us to find information on the internet. Google, Bing, Yahoo are some of the examples of search engine. A website is a collection of web pages. The main page or front door of a website that introduces you to everything on that site is called homepage. The pages of information on the internet that you can see using a computer or phone are known as web pages. If the whole website is a book, then web pages are the individual pages inside. Each one holds different pictures, videos, or stories for you to explore. The web address you type to find a specific website, like a digital home address, is called URL. ISP means Internet Service Provider, the company we pay to give us access to the internet. The first ISP in the world was Telenet, and the first ISP in Nepal was Mercantile. Some of the common ISP in Nepal includes Nepal Telecom, Classic Tech, Subisu, WorldLink, and many more. Social networking sites are websites and apps where you connect with friends and share photos, videos, and messages. Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok are some of the common social networking sites used nowadays. Benefits of these sites are information sharing, business promotion, customer interaction. But be careful, social media has its downsides as well. Let's look at some of the disadvantages of social media. Health problems. Spending too much time online can hurt your eyes and stop you from being active. Fake accounts. People can pretend to be someone else. Some people hide behind fake names to trick or lie to you. Cyberbullying. People use the internet to say mean things and hurt others. Data leakage. There is always a risk that your private info gets stolen or shared with the wrong people. Cybercrime is a crime using computers or internet. Cybercrime can be hacking, phishing, cyberbullying, identity theft. In Nepal, we have the Electronic Transaction Act 2063 to keep the internet safe. It says that hacking or damaging data can land you in jail for 3 years with a big fine. And if you share illegal or hurtful content, that's even more serious, up to 5 years behind bars. The law is watching, so play it safe online. Cyber laws protect privacy, online transactions, digital documents, The internet is a great place, but it has hidden dangers. Use of internet comes with different risks like identity theft, phishing, hacking, malware, and many more. Don't worry, you can stay safe from these risks. Safety measures include strong passwords, antivirus, two-factor authentication, data backup, user awareness. Remember, your password is like your toothbrush. Never share it. Robotics is the study of designing and using robots. Robots are used in manufacturing, healthcare, agriculture, education, security, space exploration. Some robots look like humans, but some like machines. VR, or virtual reality, a computer technology that uses a headset to make you feel like you are inside a 3D world. It creates a 3D artificial environment. Virtual reality can be used in education, military training, medical practice, sports, architecture, mental health. VR allows us to visit space, explore history, practice surgery without leaving the room. Imagine a machine that can understand your words, recognize your face, make decisions, or solve complex problems, almost like a human mind. This is the realm of artificial intelligence, or AI. At its heart, AI is the science of creating intelligent machines capable of performing tasks that normally require human intelligence. Initially seen simply as a technology to imitate human thought, AI has now evolved far beyond that. Today, it enhances productivity, connectivity, and creativity across countless fields. AI is often grouped into three categories based on its capabilities. Narrow or weak AI. This is the AI we interact with daily. It's designed for specific tasks, like recommending a song, recognizing a photo of a friend, or answering a question in a chatbot. It excels in its designated role, but cannot step outside of it. General or strong AI. This is a future vision of AI, a machine with intelligence comparable to a human, able to understand, learn, and apply knowledge across any intellectual task. We have not yet achieved this level. Artificial superintelligence, a theoretical form of AI that would surpass human intelligence in every way, capable of solving problems beyond our current comprehension. A remarkable example visited Nepal in 2018, Sophia, the humanoid robot. At a United Nations conference in Kathmandu, Sophia spoke on topics like science, technology, and anti-corruption, giving us a glimpse into a future where machines can communicate like us.
Namaste.
आरामै हुनुहुन्छ
आराम हजुर तपाई मसँग ओभर क्वेशन सोध्दै हुनुहुन्छ है मलाई रिस नउठाउनुस् है
तपाई एउटा
तपाईको क्यामेरा फुटाइदिन्छु नि मलाई रिस नउठाउनुस् है
तपाई फुटाउनुस् लिएर जानुस् मलाई मतलब छैन
Where do we see AI in action? Its applications are vast and growing. AI in astronomy, AI in healthcare, AI in gaming, AI in finance, AI in data security, AI in social media, AI in travel and transport, AI in robotics, AI in agriculture, AI in education. AI can also be used in the educational sector. AI chatbots can communicate with students as teaching assistants. In the future, AI could work as a personal virtual tutor for students, accessible anytime and anywhere, providing personalized learning support. Now let's turn to the invisible force that makes much of this possible. Think about where you save your photos or documents. Instead of storing them only on your phone or computer, you might use services like Google Drive or iCloud. This is cloud computing in its simplest form. Why has cloud computing become so essential? Its advantages are clear. Cost effectiveness. Businesses and individuals avoid the huge expense of buying and maintaining physical hardware. You pay only for what you use, like a utility bill. Accessibility. Your data and applications are available from any device, anywhere, at any time. All you need is an internet connection. Reliability. Cloud providers ensure services are nearly always available, with backup systems and redundant infrastructure preventing data loss. Security. Leading providers invest heavily in security measures, often offering better protection than individual organizations can manage on their own. Cloud services can be public, open to anyone for a fee, like Amazon Web Services or Google Cloud, or private, dedicated to a single organization. Here in Nepal, companies like DataHub, Silverlining, and Cloud Himalaya are pioneering these services, helping local businesses and institutions modernize their operations. So here we are. From the humble radio to the intelligent cloud, ICT has wrapped itself around our world. Remember, technology is powerful. Used wisely, it becomes our greatest servant. Used badly, it can become our master. Learn technology. Respect technology. But never, ever let technology control your life.